because you have been bringing the name of your alma mater when you search your destiny. Success is not counted in terms of financial gains, but it is best measured by humanitarian services as the output of the scholarly values you have earned from Cebu Theological University. So, in behalf of the administration, let me welcome you all with a spirit of Christmas and fill your heart with golden memories.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Hyson. So, Ma'am Hyson is also an administrative assistant designated to our admin office. And then after all, I guess we need to have some entertainment. So, how about we'll offer ourselves an intermission number before we get to the next part. Do you agree with me, Teacher Sheikh?
Yes.
Oh, anak lagi po, teacher.
Okay, actually we hired some sexy back performers.
Yes, for this purpose.
Now